The question is this: is LinkedIn indexed by Google? Well, the answer is yes, but I got some interesting ideas for you to look at, and I'm going to share them in this video. But before I do, hit the subscribe and notify button, because I create all this content for you. So Google searches. Is LinkedIn indexed by Google? Let's take a look. Let's type in Burriss Consulting. There's my website. There's my company page. LinkedIn.com, company, Burriss Consulting. Now let's type in Teddy Burriss. And there's my LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn.com, TL Burriss. Actually, it's LinkedIn.com/in/TL Burriss. LinkedIn content is highly indexed by Google. All of the pages that are public, so we can find them. So this is really pretty easy to do, but I want to show you a really cool little trick that you can use to narrow your search, your Google search, into LinkedIn. And it's called site search. Watch this. If I do site, LinkedIn.com/in and look for Teddy, it finds only personal profiles, because LinkedIn.com/in is only for personal profiles. Look at this. If I type in company and change Teddy to Burriss, but I need to put another S on there, probably not really. Burriss Consulting. It's only finding data for company pages that are Burriss Consulting. Now this is interesting. My own company page in a different language. EC, LinkedIn. I want to copy that and open that up. EC, LinkedIn, company, Burriss Consulting. It reverts to back to my company page. Interesting. All right, that was company. Look at this, group. Let's look in groups, plural, for job search. And look, these are groups that are job search. And so they're all private groups, so I kind of expect that to happen. So interestingly, that group showed up. This group showed up, over 6 million clean tech products. This group showed up, but they're all private. Let's go look at that. Now I can't get to it, it's a private group. So groups will not work well. Let's see, what else do I have? Hang on a second. How about schools? Let's do Wake. Schools or school? Singular, school. Wake Forest University, Wake Forest University alum. These are all the different school files for Wake Community, Wake Tech. So school. Interesting, that's plural. And groups, I thought was singular. Let's go confirm groups. Groups is definitely plural. Schools is singular. Interesting little snafu there. What other ones? What about events? Here we go. These are all the different events that are showing up in Google search presented by LinkedIn.com event. You hover over, you can see it's LinkedIn.com/events. All of these are events that have the word Kenneth in them. I can put any word I want to put in there. I can do project management. There's one group, there's another group. These are all, one event, there's another event. Let's do another one. Let's look, what else can I do? How about post? Let's do post. Project management. Oh, was it saying? It is. It's plural. Bonnie's post, Joseph's post, Bill's post, Harlan's post, Eric's post. These are all posts. There's going to be a whole lot of them that may have the words project management. You can put any words you want after this section here that is a site search. Site search in Google lets you narrow down your search, so you're not looking in the entire LinkedIn. You're only looking at specific areas of LinkedIn, and the areas that I know you can look in is profiles, which is IN, companies, groups, plural, schools, singular, events, post, and those are all the ones that I know of right now. To answer the question, The question is this: is LinkedIn data indexed by Google? The answer is absolutely. But don't just do a Google search. Narrow your search down and look for the area within LinkedIn that you want to look into. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.